So just like how we anticipated, the price of Bitcoin is breaking out and also looks like the new all-time high is imminent. Yes guys, the price of Bitcoin, if you look at it in a different time frame using different scenarios, it does looks like the new all-time high is imminent. So before we dive into the content, before we talk further about this scenario, please do me a favor and destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, on our previous video, we talked about this MACD ribbon along with this hash ribbon indicator, which was giving us a buy signal, because we found out that this MACD ribbon was clearly angled upward, and when the price is above the moving average ribbon and the moving averages are angled upward, it helps confirm a rising price. And along with that, we even got a confirmation from this hash ribbon indicator here to the downside, because according to this hash ribbon indicator, the final buy signal, this blue dot, was already appearing, which was also signaling us the price for the upcoming days is turning bullish. And beside this indicator, we also found out with the help of this monthly time frame that Bitcoin was at the verge of exploding, because in the past price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin broke out from this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, only after that an actual parabolic move played out. I mean, if you look at this, right, if you look at this price action of Bitcoin, when the price of Bitcoin was in a downtrend, when the price of Bitcoin ended this downtrend, found support at this 200-week moving average, what happened after that? We started heading towards the previous high. But when we started appearing around this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, we got rejected. You can see we got rejected, but second attempt, we successfully broke out of it, which was also a beginning of an actual markup phase. Same thing happened here. We ended this downtrend after testing the support from this 200-week moving average, which resulted in a bullish move. But this bullish move ended when we failed to break the resistance from this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, which resulted in a corrective move, another tester on this 200-week moving average, and only after that we started with this bullish move, which got attracted towards this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line. Again, we had some difficulty, but as soon as the price broke out of it, what happened after that? The price of Bitcoin went completely parabolic. And now, if you look in our case, after few attempts, we finally broke out of it. And now, if the price of Bitcoin is going to do just like from this past price action after breaking out of this 0.5.6 Fibonacci line, you can see the price of Bitcoin looks ready for another parabolic move. Yes guys, in a monthly time frame after breaking out of this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, the price of Bitcoin looks very bullish. And not just only that, even with the help of this Livermore pivotal point theory, I was very clear with you guys, as soon as the previous high resistance gets flipped into support, it is going to give us another buying opportunity, because this is how market tends to work. If you look at this Livermore pivotal point, after breaking out from the previous high, the price is going to give us another buying opportunity. And since the price of Bitcoin has also broken out of the previous high, now according to this Livermore pivotal point theory, it is going to give us another buying opportunity, because we are aware guys, parallelly Bitcoin was also breaking out from this descending broadening wedge. I showed you that in a weekly time frame, this bull market support band was holding the price above 60,000, and since the price was also breaking out of this upper band, there is a very high probability of price breaking here to the upside. And since the price is doing just like how we anticipated, where could it be heading? Because according to the descending broadening wedge, you can see a new all-time high is imminent, and parallelly, even according to this Wyckoff's price cycle, a new all-time high is imminent, because according to this example here in a bigger time frame, since the price is breaking out of this previous high, which is going to give us another buying opportunity, now even according to this Wyckoff price cycle, breaking out of the previous high means a new markup phase is on play. So the price of Bitcoin looks like it might be starting with an actual parabolic move or an actual markup phase, which could easily bring the price of Bitcoin to make a new all-time high. And beside this Wyckoff price cycle, even with this descending channel bull flag formation, I showed you guys, since the price of Bitcoin is breaking out of the descending broadening wedge, since the price of Bitcoin is breaking out of the descending channel, now we might be starting with another continuation, which could look somehow like this. I mean, price, just like I shown in example, could be preparing itself for another bullish continuation. And why were we so confident? Because to the downside, even the indicators were confirming this move. I showed you guys, whenever you see MACD turning bullish, at the same time RSI line jumping over 50 and T3CCI indicator in a positive territory, in more than 90% of cases, this confirmation has resulted in a very, very bullish move. So that's why we were very confident the price of Bitcoin was preparing itself for another bullish move. And now, even if you look at this cup and handle pattern type of formation, after breaking out of this descending channel, after breaking out of this bull flag, if you look at it using this cup and handle, you can see we have also broken out of this handle, and now we might be starting with an actual bullish move. Yes, guys, even if the price fakes out for now, shows another continuation to the downside, please do not worry. Remaining above 60,000 in a bigger picture could be a preparation for another bullish continuation, which might look somehow like this. Yes, guys, looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, you can see the price of Bitcoin actually looks very, very bullish. And now, even if you look at this pre-halving, post-halving shakeout scenario, each and every time whenever the price of Bitcoin was following this expansion trend line, this trend line acted as a strong line of support. But when we went through the halving, the first Bitcoin halving, you can see what happened after that. The price got attracted towards this rising trend line, which was the beginning of a new market phase. Same thing happened here. We were following this expansion trend line. We went through the second Bitcoin halving. Price got attracted towards this rising trend line, which started an actual market phase. Same thing has repeated again and again. And since the price of Bitcoin was also testing the support from this expansion trend line, now after ending this fourth Bitcoin halving, just like from this past price action, the price of Bitcoin looks like preparing itself for another continuation like this. Because beside this price action, even with the help of these columns, we were aware Bitcoin has never had two consecutive red years in a row. So one bearish year, two consecutive bullish year, one bearish year, three consecutive bullish year. You can see again, one bearish year in 2018, three consecutive bullish year. So 2022 was a bearish year. Now this here could be a continuation. I mean, two consecutive bullish year is in play, and I personally think even the year of 2025 will be favoring the longs. Yes, guys, in a bigger picture, you can see the price of Bitcoin actually looks very, very bullish. And not just only the price action, even the Bitcoin dominance is breaking out. And according to this Bitcoin dominance chart, you can see after breaking out of this 57-58%, now we might be getting attracted towards the next area of confluence, which could bring the dominance of Bitcoin above 70%. Yes, guys, this is the area where I personally think the price of Bitcoin, I mean the Bitcoin dominance, could be getting attracted before showing another continuation like this. I mean, before getting rejected, before showing weakness, first there could be a continuation, the dominance of Bitcoin testing the 70-71% dominance trend line, and only after that start showing weakness. So until then, let me say it again, holding Bitcoin could be very, very profitable. And not just only in a bigger frame, even in a daily time frame. You know, I was talking about this falling wedge since ages. I showed you guys this trend line, which in the past price action rejected us, has already been broken. And now this here could be a preparation for another bullish continuation. And now if you look at this price action, just like as shown here in the example, after testing this resistance twice, the price of Bitcoin also started breaking out. So you can see, guys, according to this falling wedge, even if the price in the media short term starts showing another continuation like this bearish continuation, that could be just a temporary pullback before expecting another bullish continuation. Because beside this falling wedge, even this Bollinger Band is clearly pointing us the Bitcoin for the upcoming days looks very bullish, because we have already managed to break out of this upper band and price has also ended this pullback. Now this here could be a preparation for another bullish continuation, which might look somehow like this. I mean, price is testing the upper band, so we are expecting some rejection around that area. But even if the price starts showing weakness, that will be just a temporary rejection before expecting another continuation to the upside. Because beside this Bollinger Band, even this leading indicator is clearly pointing us the price for the month of November could be turning even more bullish than this. I mean, the price of Bitcoin is above R1 line. Now the second target sits around 74,700, which is new all-time high for Bitcoin. So I personally think this monthly R2 line could be tested before showing another continuation like this, and then an actual parabolic move is going to happen. I mean, the price of Bitcoin for the month of October has already reached the first target, which was around 69,000. Now this R2 line could be attracting us a new all-time high around 74,700. But if the price does unthinkable, I mean, after breaking the previous high, if the price starts showing another continuation for the month of October, this is our no-brainer price target, which sits around 83,000. Yes, guys, for the month of October, this 83,000 will be our no-brainer target if the price also managed to break out of this R2 line. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that even if the price starts showing weakness, even if the price starts getting attracted to the downside, please zoom out, because in a bigger picture, the price is already turning bullish, and even in a smaller picture, you can see pullback around 65, 64, even up to 60,000 could be a great buying opportunity, because remaining above 60,000 could be a preparation for another bullish move like this. Yes, guys, price of Bitcoin closing the monthly candle above 60,000 means a new ascending CPR for the month of November, and ascending CPR only gets formed during uptrend. So looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, the price of Bitcoin actually looks very, very bullish. And not just only the price action, even on-chain data proves us that price of Bitcoin could go even higher, because according to this Bitcoin exchange reserve, in all exchanges, you can see Bitcoin exchange reserve is at all-time low, which clearly points us that investors are buying in a rapid pace. And even if you look at this Bitcoin ETF flow table, you can see on 29th of October, we had another $227 million inflow, which also shows us that institution money is flowing along with this price action. So this clearly shows us the demand for Bitcoin, and you know what is going to happen. I mean, when the demand gets greater than the supply, it tends to push the price higher, and this is exactly what might be happening in our case as well. So you can see, guys, looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, the price of Bitcoin actually looks very, very bullish. So if you enjoyed my vlog, if you like this kind of content, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free bonus from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because these events are temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility, then the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.